So, number 6 of artificial intelligence. And we're going to have a little bit of fun tonight. And we're going to see what this artificial intelligence knows about drinks, alcoholic drinks. Let's check it out. Okay, our question is, do you know what RumChata is? And it's going to give us a quick little explanation of what RumChata is. And let's just read this real quick. Yes, I can provide some information on RumChata, a popular liquor. RumChata is a brand of cream liquor that is predominantly made from 5 main ingredients: rum, dairy cream, cinnamon, vanilla, and sugar. It's inspired by horchata, a traditional drink from Spain and Latin America, which is often made with rice, vanilla, and cinnamon. RumChata is typically served on the rocks, but it can also be used as a mixer in a variety of cocktails. Because of its rich, creamy flavor and hint of spice, it also finds use in dessert recipes. The alcohol content of RumChata is about 13.75% by volume. Please note that while it's made with dairy cream, RumChata uses a special process that makes it shelf stable without refrigeration. It's recommended, though, to not mix it with drinks that have high acidity, as it can cause the cream in the RumChata to curdle. As with any alcoholic beverage, it should be consumed responsibly. Okay, let's see if it can give us. Can you give us your 2 best drink recipes? Drink recipes for Chata. 2 best. We'll try 2 best mixed drinks. Let's see, 2 best mixed drink recipes. Okay, let's see what the artificial intelligence has to say about this. Can you give us your 2 best mixed drink recipes for RumChata? Let's check this out. See what the artificial intelligence has to say about this. Okay, here we go. Recipe number 1. Sure, here are a couple of mixed drink recipes featuring RumChata that we might enjoy. First one, RumChata French toast. Ingredients: 1 part RumChata, 1 part Fireball cinnamon whiskey, 2 parts cream soda. Instructions: fill a shaker with ice cubes, add the RumChata and Fireball whiskey to the shaker. Shake well to blend the ingredients. Strain the mix into a glass. Top off with cream soda. Gently stir to combine. Garnish with a cinnamon stick or a dust of ground cinnamon if desired. And number 2, RumChata hot chocolate. Here are the ingredients: 2 cups of hot chocolate, prepared. Half a cup of RumChata. Whipped cream is optional. Chocolate shavings or a dusting of cocoa powder, optional. Instructions. Here we go. Number 1, prepare hot chocolate as per your preferred method. Number 2, stir in RumChata. Number 3, top with whipped cream if desired. Number 4, sprinkle chocolate shavings or a dusting of cocoa powder over the top for garnish. Please remember to enjoy these drinks responsibly. And there we have it. We have the artificial intelligence offering us its 2 best drink recipes, mixed drink recipes featuring RumChata. If you have any questions, put them in the comments. Please like, share this video, and as always, catch you next time.